subscribe to our YouTube channel, and press the bell icon to get the latest tech updates from TechSole Blog.
The new Indian smartphone maker Jio has finally launched its new ultra-affordable smartphone in partner with Google called JioPhone Next, and it is fully customized for Indian users. Talking about the specifications, the JioPhone Next features a 5.45-inch HD Plus display with 60Hz refresh rate, and the screen is protected by Corning Gorilla Glass 3 on the top with anti-fingerprint coating. Under the hood, the smartphone is powered by Qualcomm Snapdragon 215 chipset, paired with 2GB of RAM and 32GB of internal storage that is expandable up to 512GB via microSD card slot. In terms of camera, the JioPhone Next supports a single 13MP camera on the rear with night mode feature support. For selfies, it has an 8MP camera under the top bezel with preloaded fun filters to enjoy selfies. On the software front, the handset runs on Pragati OS out of the box, which is optimized version of the Android on the top, and it packs with 3500 mAh battery. Additionally, the smartphone comes with Google Assistant with 10 local regional language support, and it also includes features like Read Aloud that allows on-screen content readout for the users, plus Google Translate feature to translate any selected language to local language easily. The connectivity option on the phone includes dual SIM 4G, Wi-Fi, Bluetooth 4.1, GPS, 3.5mm headphone jack, and a micro USB charging port. Now talking about the pricing and availability details. The JioPhone Next has been priced in India at 6,499 Indian rupees. And it will be available in easy monthly installment option starting at 2,000 Indian rupees along with the processing fees of 501 rupees, and the EMI options are as follows up to 18 months included with Jio calls and data service plans. The smartphone will be available in black and blue color options. So what do you guys think of this JioPhone Next smartphone? Do let us know in the comment section below, and stay tuned to TechSole Blog YouTube channel for more tech updates. Thanks for watching. We'll see you guys in our next video.